Once upon a time, there was a village named Tim Tam. In that village lived two friends. Although they were very close, they had not spoken to each other for a long time because of a misunderstanding. As time passed, they lived alone, spending their days eating and sleeping, feeling sad and empty without each other. Days turned into months, and loneliness filled their hearts. One day, they finally decided to talk to each other. They met, shared their feelings, and forgave one another. Their friendship was reborn. From that day on, they became friends again and lived happily, filling their lives with joy and companionship.